we're back in Nursery Rhyme land. Can you guess which rhyme I'm in right now? If you know it, say it with me. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Dishes running away? That's so silly. What rhymes do we hear in that? Let's see. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. Diddle fiddle. 1 second. Hello? Oh, hi Humpty Dumpty. What? Some of the rhymes have escaped? They're running away? We're the only ones who can help Nursery Rhyme land? Don't worry, Humpty. We'll be right there. They need our help. Can you help us go catch the rhymes and bring them back? Oh, phew. I'm so glad you were here at a time like this. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. What a crazy place for the rhymes to run away in. Looks like we're gonna need to grab the rhymes and hold them tight. Can you do that with me? All right. If you see rhymes that don't rhyme, just push them away. Here we go. All right. Whew. A bat and a hat. Bat, hat. I hear the at sound. They rhyme. Grab them. That was good. What are these? Burgers and fries? Oh, I love burgers and fries. Burgers, fries. They don't end in the same sound. Push them away. Those aren't rhymes. Oh, good job. Let's see. Oh, the color red. That's a nice color. And a bed. I love my bed. Red bed. Red bed. They end in N. Grab them. They're rhymes. Oh, thanks. Oh, you hear that cute little owl? Oh, that's nice. And a big elephant stomping along. Owl, elephant. Do those rhyme? No. Push them away. Hurry. Okay. Aw, cute little mouse. He's cute. Oh, and a house. Mouse, house. They end in out. Grab them. Oh, okay. All right, we're doing good. Oh, look, a broom. I need to do some sweeping. And a mop. I can mop my broom, mop. Those don't rhyme. Get them out of here. Okay, we're on this, guys. We can do this. Oh, a star. I love stars. Twinkle, twinkle. And a car. Vroom, vroom. Star, car. They end in R. Hurry, grab them. Okay. All right, we're doing good. Oh, a pencil. And an eraser. Oh, those go together. Pencil, eraser. Wait, they don't rhyme. Oh, they don't rhyme. Pencil ends in pencil. Eraser ends in eraser. Push them away. Okay, we got this, guys. Oh, look, some glue. Oh, and a shoe. Glue, shoe. They end in ooh. Grab them. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, pizza. I could use some pizza. And ice cream. Oh, I love ice cream. Pizza and ice cream. Those definitely go. Wait, they don't rhyme. I'm just talking with my stomach. Get them out of here. Those don't rhyme. Okay. Oh, look, a train. Choo-choo, train. Oh, and it's raining. Train, rain. They rhyme. Grab them. Oh, let's get out of here. 1, 2, 3, jump. Oh, we're back in Hey Diddle Diddle. I think we caught all the rhymes. We saved Rhymeland. We brought back the rhymes so they can complete the nursery rhymes. I'm so happy you guys were here to help me this week, fixing our nursery rhymes, grabbing those rhymes. Thanks so much for all your help. I hope you can find a lot of rhymes all over the place. Go around and say some rhymes, make some songs. Have a great time. Bye, friends.